Don't sleep when your friends are awake. The saying has never been wrong. With this trick, you need a talcum powder and a makeup brush. Firstly, pour the powder on the victim's hand. The more, the better. We have the mosquito salve. Is it itchy enough, my friend? What's this? You stay there, Sprite. Cannot run away today. Man who laughs today may whip tomorrow. Sprite is about to fall into Pie's trap. This red marker will be the perfect choice. Draw a red line on the pen and make it look like a world. Don't forget to draw the border. Hey, wake up! So funny. Thought it's painful but not that much. Right, Sprite? If you're afraid of snake, this trick would definitely scare you to death. I almost forget. Today's my turn to do the dishes. Everything is fine until... Poor Pie, his soul is gone. It's time for tricks. This bud looks familiar. Definitely Pie's. I have to take the revenge on him. Sprite is too scared now. Coward, don't try to show up next time. Here comes Sprite's favorite magic trick. I thought it was something better. Even kids can do it. Change the view. You only know how to spoil everything. Eat it, annoying. Revenge is the only dish that tastes better when you wait it longer. Let's see how Sprite did with Pie. Are you taking the revenge or acting comedy? Sprite's smart, but not all the time. One shot, two shot, bye. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Pie the chubby virgin. Ew, so gross. Aw, love it. Calm down. Your eyes brighten whenever you see boys. Lisa, come here. I'll show you my magic trick.
Okay.
Look carefully. It's really gone. You can say that again. I asked only once. Whose pens is it? Take it or not. I forgive you this time.